Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I said 3 questions in the last class, right?
Right.
First
The
one,
first p greater than 4.
values of p such that f of x is equal to p square x minus 2 power 4 minus x square dx is increasing. For all x belongs to real. P greater than 4, you're saying. That is not correct. So you have to take derivative and say f dash x should be greater than 0, right?
Right.
So here, if you do f dash x, you will get p square minus this integral will go, it will be 2 power 4 minus x square. Should be greater than 0, right?
Right.
So for all x belonging to real, this has to be greater than 0. So p square should be greater than 16 by 2 power x square for all x greater than 0, right? So the minimum value of this 2 power x square, right, is greater than 1. When
Right.
x is 0, it will be 1.
So
Can
p
it be
greater
less
than
than
4.
1? X square cannot be negative, so it cannot be less than 1, right?
Right.
So if this inequality has to be true for every x, then p square should be greater than 16, right? Right.
Right.
So that is not p greater than 4, that is p less than minus 4 also, right?
Okay. Yeah.
How can you forget this? Right?
Right.
Okay. Question 2 was this integral. The integral was 1 to root 3 and x power 2x square plus 1 plus ln of x power 2x power 2x square plus 1 dx. This was the integral.
I got 13.
13.
Yes.
13 is correct. How did you do it?
You take the ln x, you take the power outside, and then you take it common.
2x square plus 1. 2x power 2x square plus 1.
Yeah, 2x power ln x.
And x power 2x square plus 1.
So you take x power 2x square plus 1 common, and then you have 1 plus x ln x.
1 plus 2.
2x. No, wait. 1 plus 2 ln x.
Then
Yeah, and then x to the power 2x squared into x. So you substitute x squared, I think, as t.
you
So
substitute.
x squared, yeah, x squared as t, and then it'll become p power t into 1 plus t dt.
Wait. Here you substitute what?
X squared.
X square as t.
Yeah.
So this will become x square is t, then this is 2t.
No, that's t power t, right? It's x squared. That's what I did.
I'm saying this.
Yeah.
T
And
power t.
and 2 ln x is ln x squared. So that's also ln t.
1 plus ln x square, 1 plus ln t.
X dx is dt by 2.
Hmm.
And this, I know, t bar t into 1 plus ln t will be t bar t integral.
Why?
Because if you differentiate t bar t, you get t into t bar t minus 1
Hmm.
plus ln t into
Hmm.
that, what do you call it? T.
This is correct. Okay. Then question 3 was if integral of 0 to x f of t dt is equal to e power x minus a e power 2x integral 0 to 1 f of t e power minus t dt, then you have to find f of 1 plus 2 f of 2. Have you found f of 1 plus 2 f of 2?
No, I can't do the right side integral. T
Okay,
bar 2.
so this relation is true for all x. So what you can say is, suppose I put x is equal to 0 on both sides. Why? Because x is equal to 0 will make this integral disappear, right? So this will be 0 is equal to 1 minus a 0 to 1 f of t e power minus t dt, right? So therefore you will get a integral 0 to 1 f of t e power minus t dt is equal to 1, right? Correct. Now e power minus t or minus 1 it is minus t, right?
Yeah.
T dt. Okay. This integral okay. So look at this value we have gotten, right? This integral's value. This is a constant, no?
Right.
Like a and this part we have gotten the value, right? So what you get is 0 to x f of t dt. Putting this in the original thing, you get e power x minus e power 2x, right?
Right.
Because we now know the constant value of this and a, right? It is 1. So now if you differentiate this, you'll get f of x is equal to e power x minus 2 e power 2x, right? Right?
Right.
Are you understanding what is happening?
Yes. I
By
know.
putting x is equal to 0, you just get the value of this part. You don't need to do anything. And then put that value back in the original relation. So now you get f of x, and now you can find f of 1 plus 2 f of 2, right?
Right.
So that is how you do this one. Then the next one is this. Let's see. If f of x is equal to g of x multiplied by mod of x minus 1, x minus 2 till x minus 10 minus 2, and f of x is differentiable for all x belongs to real. G of x is equal to a x power 9 plus b x power 6 plus c x power cube plus t, where a, b, c, d belong to real. You have to find out the value of f dash minus 1. So you have to think about how this function will be differentiable. Like whenever there is a modulus, right? There is a point of non-differentiability, right?
Right.
So at 1, for example, the sign of the function changes, so the limits will change. 1 and 2 and all of these points, right?
Right.
So there is a sharp turn in the curve. So it is a point of non-differentiability. So how can the whole function be differentiable if there is points of different non-differentiability here? That is what you have to think about. What can make it differentiable? The only thing that can help is gx. If gx was 0, right,
Okay. Right.
then it will cancel this non-differentiable points, right? Because it will make it 0.
Right.
So Basically, the only way fx is differentiable for all x belongs to real is if gx is always 0. Right?
Yeah.
And if gx is always 0, then fx is becoming -2. Right?
Yeah.
So the value of this derivative is 0 because it's a constant function.
Yes.
You can't do anything here. You have to realize that whenever you multiply with a mod, it makes it non-differentiable. At 1, there will be below 1, there will be different sign. Above 1, there will be different sign. So if you have to remove the non-differentiability, you have to make this gx thing 0, right?
Yeah.
And think about it. Why am I saying that gx is 0 always? It is possible that gx could be 0 at all the points of non-differentiability, right? 1, 2, 3 till 10, right?
Yeah.
It is possible that gx is 0 only at those points, right? But it's a 9-degree function, right? 9-degree polynomial with 10 roots. That is not possible, no?
Okay. Yeah.
Degree 9 polynomial, if you know that there are 10 roots of it, then it is identically 0 for all values, right?
Yeah.
A quadratic cannot have 3 roots. If you know that some quadratic function has 3 roots, then actually that quadratic function is always 0. It's an identity, right? So therefore, that is why they gave us 10 points here. Because in order to make it differentiable for all x, you have to make it gx 0 for 10 different points, and it was a 9-degree function, right?
Yeah.
Therefore, gx must be 0 always. And only if gx is 0 always can you get f of x is equal to -2. If there were only 9 points here, right, then you would have gx is, there could be a polynomial with 9 roots, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 9, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Then gx would not be 0 always, right?
Right.
Then the problem will be much more difficult because then gx is not constant. So you'll have to actually differentiate and all that, right? Are you understanding what is happening?
Yes.
Okay. Then the next one is this. Fx is continuous and differentiable. Fx is continuous and differentiable such that limit of h tends to 0, f of 3 plus 7h minus f of 3 plus 4h by h is equal to 4. You have to find out the value of f dash 3. This limit is in what form right now?
0/0.
So just use L'Hopital's rule then, right?
Okay.
Using L'Hopital's rule, you can easily get this.
-3.
How -3? L'Hopital's rule, or you will differentiate with respect to h, right?
Okay.
What is coming on top?
F dash 3 plus 7h into 7.
7 into f dash 3 plus 7h minus 4
4,
into f dash 3 plus 4h
0.
by 1, right?
Oh, wait. Okay.
It is 3 times f dash 3, no? Hmm?
Right, right.
You'll get 4 by 3 directly from there, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Then this one is the first, second, and third terms of an AT are A, B, A square. A is negative. Then sum of an infinite GP whose first three terms are first three terms are A square, and B is what? Basically, you have to
minus
somehow,
1 by 3.
Minus 1 by 3 is the sum. You have to use the relations from the AP. You get 2B is equal to A plus A square. From the GP, you get A power 4 is equal to AB, right?
Right.
You have to find somehow A and B and all, right? You have
Yes.
to just find A and the common ratio.
Yes.
So that should,
Quadratic.
A cube is B, and you can put that here. 2A cube is equal to A plus A square, right? From here, you can find A, right?
Right.
Once you find A, you can do everything, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then f of x is a differentiable function defined for all positive real numbers, for all positive reals, such that x times f of x is equal to x plus integral 1 to x f of t dt. You have to find out the value of summation k is equal to 1 to 10 f of e power k.
55.
Your f of x is coming out to be
ln x.
f of x is ln x.
Oh wait, ln x plus c.
Will be something ln x plus something.
Right, right. 1 minute.
Hmm.
Yeah, ln x plus 1. Sorry. So 65.
Hmm. Ln x plus 1 it will be, and the sum will be 65. You'll get this by simply differentiating here. You'll get f dash x is equal to 1 by x, right?
Right.
Now after that you can integrate to get ln x plus c and then put some values, right? Put x
Right.
is equal to 1, then you will get the value of c, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then this one is limit of x tends to 0 tan of pi sine square x, pi sine square x plus mod x minus sine x into gif of x whole square divided by x square. to find this limit. You should do left hand limit, right hand limit separately. X tends to 0 minus and x tends to 0 plus. What are you getting when you do 0 minus? Should come out like this. Minus x minus sine. JF will be minus 1, right?
Yeah.
So this is what is coming, whole square by x square. So this becomes plus sine x. So sine x minus x. So tan pi sine square x by x square plus sine x minus x by x whole square, right? here you can multiply by sine square x pi and multiply on top also by that pi sine square x. And then you can say this part tends to 1, right?
Right.
And then this part will tend to pi, right?
Right.
You get pi. And here you will get this part tends to, this is sin x by x minus 1 whole square. This tends to 0, right? Lx
Right.
tends to 0. So LHL will come out to be pi. Similarly, what is RHL coming out to be?
I'm getting pi plus 1.
Hmm. So RHL is equal to pi plus 1 and therefore there is no limit. Right?
Okay.
It
Right.
does not exist. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Then uh, if let A and B, let A and B be square matrices of some order satisfying AB equal to A and BA equal to B, then A power 2019 plus B power 2019 whole power 2020 is equal to what? Options are A plus B, 2020 A plus B, 2 power 2019 A plus B, or 2 power 2020 A plus B. You have to figure out what happens because of these, right? So
This is the identity matrix. A is I.
no, that is not necessary. You cannot cancel matrices like this. How are you getting identity matrix? If A was I, then AB would be B, no? Hmm?
Right.
Don't cancel stuff like that. That is not allowed. What is A square? A square is equal to A into A, and A is equal to AB. So you can write one of these A's as AB, AB into A, and then you can write it as BA. BA is B, right?
Right.
So AB and AB is A, right? You're getting A square is equal to A, right?
Right.
B square is equal to B into B. So you can write B as BA. So BA into B, and AB is A, right? So B into AB, so B into A, right? And BA is B. Are you understanding how we are getting this?
Yes.
A square is coming as A and B square is coming as B. So obviously now any higher power, A cube and all will be A only. Because A cube is A square into A, and A square is A. So it is A square, which is A, right?
Right.
Similarly, B cube will also be B. And all higher powers of A and B will be A and B only, right?
Right.
So this thing is actually A power 2019 and all. It is actually A plus B power 2020, right?
Yes.
Now, if you look at A plus B whole square, that would be A plus B into A plus B. So that will be A square plus AB plus BA plus B square, right?
Right.
A square is A, B square is B, AB is A, BA is B. So it is 2 times A plus B, right?
Right.
If you do A plus B whole power 3, A plus B whole power 3, that is A plus B whole square into A plus B. So A plus B whole square is 2 times A plus B into A plus B. So it is 2 times A plus B whole square, which is 2 times A plus B, right? So it
Right.
is 2 square times A plus B, right? Correct.
Yes.
So what we are getting is A plus B whole square is 2 power 1 times A plus B. A plus B whole cube is 2 power 2 times A plus B, right? So A plus B power 2020 should be 2 power 2019 power into A plus B, right?
Right.
Are you understanding what is happening?
Yes.
we have multiplied and checked a plus b whole square, it came as this, and a plus b whole cube came as this. So you can use that now again and again. And you want to do a plus b whole power 4, you will write it as a plus b whole cube into a plus b. A plus b whole cube will be 2 square a plus b, right? It will be 2 square a plus b into a plus b. So that will be this, and this will be a 1, 2 will come from here. So it will be 2 cube a plus b, right? Similarly, you will get this answer.
Right.
Correct.
Yes.
So matrices and all, just revise some of the properties and the terms and all that are there. We'll continue from this point in the next class. More questions will do.
Okay.
Okay, that's all for now. We'll see you in the next class.
Thank you.